I'll show you how to change the default PDF viewer on Android. Let's jump in. Now I have my Android phone here and there's a PDF. If I tap on it from the Files app, you'll be able to see it automatically defaults to OneDrive. However, maybe I want to use Google Drive instead. I'll show you how to change that. Let's hop out of here and instead let's get to your settings. Within the settings, we need to navigate to that app that is set as the default PDF viewer, in this case, OneDrive. So just go to OneDrive on this list, scroll down until you get to that as the option, and now you'll be able to see set as default. Instead of this as being the default, I'm going to clear this. And now if I go back over to this PDF, and if I tap on it, it will now say open with. In this case, I'm going to choose Google Drive instead. You can choose just once or always, depending on whether that wants to be the default PDF viewer going forward.